What's up, guys? I'm here again with the buggy. I got a lot more done to it this time. Let's start out with shifter. Oh man, still gotta do a little wiring, but got all that done. It does go into gear. I did clean up a bunch of wiring back here. I had to redo all this wiring because the grounds were bad and stuff, but it looks a little better now. I put a new stator on it because it lost spark, but that fixed it. Now it's running real good. The throttle cable broke because I was using the original one. So for right now, I just have the actual cable for throttle. I think it should be drivable because it does go into gear and all the chains are on there. I don't know if that chain, because that chain isn't really for there, but I can make it work if I tightened a lot. But I'm gonna try to, I'll just show you guys it. I'll turn it on real quick and then I'll try to, just move it a little bit under its own power. So should just start by one click of a button. So, oh, everything's good. Wait, give a little gas, or try to. Oh yeah. That carburetor definitely needs some cleaning or tuning, but it does run. I did fix this oil leak here. It's not very pretty, but it definitely works great. It does not leak any oil, which is all I wanted. So yeah, let me just cut to the clip of it going under its own power. Okay guys, now we're gonna try to start it and put it in gear and see if it'll move. Well guys, it did move, but it looks like we're gonna have some things to do about this chain in this sprocket, because that is not the right chain for there. And every time I let out the clutch, it's skipping the teeth. I might just, because this is still kind of loose, maybe if I just tighten it a lot, it should be good, hopefully. If you see right there, the engine, I had to kind of cut the engine a little bit, or grind it down because it was hitting the chain at first. But, I mean, yeah, it did move under its own power. So, that's good. I got a bunch of cleaning to do. I think next thing I'm gonna be doing is just wiring and buying a new throttle cable, hooking it up to the pedal, because everything else is done. I gotta weld that for the shifter, but it does go through all the gears. I tested all that already. Brakes are already working, front and back. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Probably in the next video I'll have pretty much all the wiring done, and hopefully have it where that chain isn't skipping on all that. But you know, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next vid. Peace out.